Hope you've all had a good Christmas and you're all kind of slowing down now and starting to relax after the run up to Christmas, because I know it can be quite hectic. This is my first day back into my craft shed, and I've managed to finish off this Faux Midori cover with 2 Traveller's Notebook inserts. It measures 8 3/8 by 4.5 with a 1-inch spine. It has 2 elastics which holds the 2 Traveller's Notebooks. Each Traveller's Notebook has 40 pages front and back, so there is 80 pages in total with the 2 inserts, and there is also 2 laminated dashboards. If you don't know what a dashboard is, it's just like a laminated sheet that you can stick your post-it notes on, you can stick washi tape on it, you can buy plastic pockets and stick them on it as well, and like hold things inside it, so it's quite multifunctional. So anyway, I've used a digital kit from ARTYmaze, and it's called the Iris Flower, I believe, and I will link that below. So this is a nice kind of springy summer type of journal. I did actually do a video on this, but when I went to upload it, it was upside down, I think. So I think that was the one that was upside down, so I have to do another one because I have been asked to show how I do that. So I will do that on the next one, because I did, like I said, I did start this way back last week. So these are the 2 inserts, and as you can see, they're on the elastics. They are totally removable. The actual signature is sewn together, and this is the dashboard, the laminated dashboard. So, and the other one is just more or less the same. So that goes in, and then you find the middle, and then you pop that in there, so you can take them out and work on them when you want to. So this is the front dashboard, and this is the start of the signature, and these images are all from the kit. I think everything's pretty much from the kit. If there's anything else, I will mention it as I go through. So we've got a pocket here, and inside the pocket we have a large coffee dyed and stenciled tag, and this is a stamp, and it says "Little Moments, Big Memories." And we have a postcard from the kit, and a double journaling card from the kit. And I don't know if you can hear, but I have got a really rough throat for some reason. I don't feel ill, but my throat's just gone. It's probably stress related. Lined paper. This isn't from, right, the papers are from, I've got it written down somewhere. I've used paper, they're all from ARTYmaze, but they're from several kits. So obviously I used the Iris kit, I used some pages from the Coffee digital kit, and the Dragonfly Dreams, and the Tea Time kit, all from ARTYmaze, because they were all blue. So I just kind of dragged out all the blue digital papers that I wanted to use. I also used this just to break it up, because I didn't want it all too blue, and I thought obviously that would kind of match the red lines on the ledge paper. So inside here we have another large tag. We have a tag from the kit, and I've just, this is just fabric. I had a little bit of it left, so I just cut it into strips. We have this journaling card, and this envelope, the journaling card inside. So journaling, excuse me, the journaling card matches the front of the envelope. So it's a double tuck here. Just making sure I'm in frame. Double tuck, and this is just a stamp, and it says "Beautiful You." So this is the printable ledger paper, and that flips out, so you can either make that into a pocket or you can do journaling on that. There's some coffee dyed paper, again ARTYmaze paper. We have a side tuck here, a double journaling card, and this is just some coffee dyed paper, and I just done some corner punching. Right. This is a little bit tricky to get in because of that side being punched, and it's better to put it in where there is no I'll show you, whereas that's there, it kind of catches on there and flips back, so it's, whoops, so it's easier to pop it in that way with the closed side, if that makes sense. I'm sorry, I just wobbled the camera. Centre of signature. Lots and lots of journaling space. We have an envelope here that I made, and this is just some coffee dyed paper that I have folded and then corner around it so they can journal on that. This is from Dreamzetc, and there is also a pocket there so you can tuck things inside there. We have another pocket here. This says laugh. My voice is going. We have another large tag. Oh, everyone's gonna love that if my voice goes. Another tag here with some of this fabric on there. And this will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested, and the link for that will be below. Some more digital paper. We have another envelope here, and in that envelope is another envelope with some coffee dyed paper that you can do lots of journaling on. And that fits in there just snug. And that is that signature, and that is the other side of the dashboard, and this is this dashboard. And again, I've used one of the these are like the hang tags that Andrea has in her shop as well. She has, obviously these ones come with the kit, but there is other ones. I think there's sets of them that can be purchased. So here we have a triple pocket, and this ephemera was from the kit, and I had some of the paper left over from the cover, so I just made some tags and I backed them onto excuse me, I backed them onto some white cardstock and then just inked them up. So we have that pocket there with this piece of ephemera in the middle pocket. Oh, I can see me going to start really coughing in a minute. I need to take a drink. Sorry about that. Oh, and this is opened as well, so there's a pocket there. And then in the back here we've got another large tag, and I have to stand that up to put that back in. There we go. Some more coffee dyed paper and some lined paper, some more digital paper from ARTYmaze. Here we just have a corner tuck, and I used one of the excuse me, one of the cards, journaling cards, to decorate it. Large tag, postcard. Or maybe I am getting now. Some ledge paper again. Some more digital paper from ARTYmaze. Again, I can't remember which one it was, but it's the coffee, the dragonfly, the tea kit, and the iris kit. I'll try and put each kit below, the name of each kit, and then I'll link you to the shop. So we've got two little coffee dyed tags. This is just a stamp. It says make each day a story worth telling. We have a tag from the kit and a journaling card from the kit. Lots of journal space. That's the elastic here. Obviously you can cut that off a little bit smaller, so the tails are smaller, or you can kind of manoeuvre it down to the bottom and add some beads to it. Another triple pocket with a large tag in the back. I'm not going to drag that one out. Some ephemera from the kit, and a journaling card here, and I backed that onto one of the hang tags because it had lined, it was lined paper. Another little tag, and this journaling piece, this ephemera piece, sorry, is from the kit. Some more. This is a lovely shade of blue. This is a printable as well, and I do believe that's ARTYmaze. We have another corner pocket here, and I used one of the journaling cards just to decorate it. We have a postcard here. We have a large tag, another envelope from the kit, and again that just has some coffee dyed paper that's been corner rounded, and that just pops in there. Some more coffee paper, just some more paper in there again, all folded up, popped in that envelope, and this says fly away. And that is the back. So that is the Faux Midori with 2 Traveller's Notebook inserts. So I will put all the links below. Like I said, this is for sale in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.